Today is our day 2 of the New Year, New You program, and I'm super excited, super happy, super pumped up, and I believe all of you are excited and ready for it. Because remember, the law of attraction is the law of you. You are attracting everything into your life as a magnet. To go forward, wake up with motivation, move forward with inspiration, do things in the right way, at the right time, at the right place to create manifestation after manifestation after manifestation. This year should be the year of success. This year should be the year of manifestation. This year should be the year of growth, prosperity, abundance, love, joy, health and happiness.